will this price keep falling and falling for silver? Or is it over with? I've actually made a video on this in the past, talking about the potential for margin calls and how that could drop the price of gold and silver. We just had some of the biggest margin calls. The markets aren't way over levered, and it's only with a few stocks, few people, so it's not a big group that's getting it's not a whole bunch of different people. It's just really one massive margin call that's happened, which has dropped the price of gold and silver, and I have the link on the screen. If you don't know what margin calls are and how they can affect gold and silver, go click it. Yeah, with markets being way less levered than it was a year ago when we had those last margin calls, and it really dropped that price of silver down below $12 an ounce when people are liquidating to pay off the banks. Their stocks they borrowed went way down, so now the money that they borrowed to buy stocks, well, they don't have the backing for that debt, so they gotta count cash, liquidate gold and silver, drops the price. There you go. It's all kind of just happened. With these margin calls, we see a price drop in gold and silver. Oh, what a coincidence. It's funny how that works. Just my thoughts, just my opinions. I'm not a financial advisor, just a random guy on the internet, but kind of why I think that the price isn't going to keep falling and falling unless I don't think it's fallen enough for people to start panic selling or anything like that. I think there could be some sellers out there, but then there's also going to be people like me saying, hey, the price is now below my $25 an ounce. I'm buying. I didn't buy for the past 2 months really. I got some silver shot just this past week after the price went down below that $25 an ounce. But now you're getting people like me coming back into the market, so you get a couple people selling off, but get some people like me saying, hey, I'm buying now. Now's the time for silver to shine. We've had our margin calls, time to get a few more ounces, and yeah, if it goes down more, I'm perfectly happy. If it goes up, I'm perfectly happy holding. Just my thoughts, just my opinions. I'm really not a financial advisor or anything. But yeah, go check out that video on margin calls. It's down in the description below. I don't want to be too repetitive, so if you want a more detailed thing, go click that link. Yeah, today I just don't see it falling too much more based on how margin calls work, what's just happened, what's going on in the markets today. We don't have as much leverage in terms of, you can buy half the stocks on margin and everything. You need to be able to come up with the cash and everything like that. We don't have nearly 50% of stocks bought on margin today. We're not even close to the limits. It doesn't seem like the markets are over levered. It seems like the price rise and everything's just due to inflation. At least that's what it seems like to me. Just my thoughts, just my opinions. I'd love to know your guys' thoughts and opinions. Please like, share, subscribe, and yeah, stay positive. See you next time. Let me know what you guys think about the price of silver and enter my beaver giveaway. Guess the weight of a beaver that I poured, not this one, but go click the link on the screen. Watch the video, like, subscribe, guess the weight of that beaver, and then you're entered to win 2-ounce round. Do a shout out for it, you're entered to win an additional maple. So yeah, stay positive, see you next time. Thanks.